After my husband passed, I had to learn to do things on my own. Things that he always would handle, like paying the bills, helping with the laundry, taking out the garbage, putting gas in the car, washing the car, or taking it to the car wash. He would check the vehicle tire gauge, the vehicle gauges, how to purchase a car without being overcharged by salespeople. I had to learn all these things. Taking the car in for service, even cleaning the kitchen after dinner. Life without him became hard in 1,000 ways. But the biggest thing I had to learn was how to take care of myself. His illness changed everything for me. It forced me to realize that I am responsible for my own health. We've all heard the phrase, your body is a temple, but what are we putting in our temple every single day? I made a decision that my temple would no longer live on the standard American diet, that sad diet. I have not eaten meat in over 11 years, and I do not miss it at all. But today, I see women in the grocery line with carts full of unhealthy food and very sugary drinks. I see them looking tired, overwhelmed, and worn down. They are constantly caring for everyone else, their children, their parents, their spouses, their loved ones. And so many times they put themselves last. And I want to say to them, please start paying attention to your body. Start paying attention to what you put inside your body. And my heart breaks because I've been there. As my late husband's caregiver, I did everything for him. I did the bathing, the getting him ready for the doctor's appointments, the scheduling of the doctor's appointment, the cleaning up the messes. And you know what I'm talking about too. It's a lonely and exhausting job. And I forgot to take care of myself. Years ago, I learned something from a private cook who worked for a family that he is the CEO of a famous soup company. And if I told you the name of the company, you would absolutely know it. What she told me was that the family was going vegan. He was the CEO. There was a family of 4. And she said there was not one can of soup in that entire home. And I said to myself, well, if the CEO doesn't have soup in his house, why should I have it in mine? So I went home after class and I threw away every can of soup that I had in my house. As women, we have to get better at putting ourselves on the to-do list. Self-care is not selfish. It is necessary because if we get sick from always putting ourselves last, who is going to be there to take care of us? And that is why I created the 7-day No Overwhelm plant-based meal plan. It is a simple, stress-free, fresh start that I wish I would have had when I started on my journey. It is an easy first step to putting yourself back on the list. You do not have to do all this at once, and you don't have to do it by yourself. So if you're ready to take those first steps, the easy steps, just click that link in the description below this video. Taking care of your health, your body, and your well-being matters because you are worth it. And I'll see you in the next video.